Morning guys, happy July 4th weekend. We are about to sell some of our patio furniture. Remember this set right here and the 4 chairs that we painted. Now, it's Friday, I want to get some garage sales in, so I have a couple people interested in both of these items. I'm just going to put them at the front of my house and direct them to leave the money in the mailbox if they want to purchase them. The people that are interested have enough good ratings that I would trust them to go through with the sale like that. And it's not a ridiculous amount of money. So anything above like 100, 150 bucks or something like that, I would probably want to do that in person. But to save my time, I'm just gonna put these out in front of my mailbox and tell them to drop the money in it. I'll just wipe it down a little bit so it looks somewhat nice. And then we'll get out in these streets, baby. How's it going? Some croquet? some actual woods. How much you want for it?
Oh, 25.
25 bucks. Would you do the cooler and the clubs for 20?
25 was like a tear came in my eye. But
Yeah.
how about 25 for both?
25 for both? Okay, I could do that. Here you go.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, so I'm gonna try my hand at some golf clubs. Now, the golf clubs themselves are pretty much trash. Like, the woods are actually made out of wood. So, those will probably go for pennies. But the thing that I was most interested in was the golf bag, which, you know, those can go anywhere between 60 and 100 bucks. You know, I could have some value by selling the set all together, just saying they're old clubs and see who would be interested in them. But I got the set and I got pretty much a brand new cooler for 25 bucks. Can't beat that. So we'll see what we can get for it, man. But right now, I really didn't see any other garage sales. It is a Friday right now. So there's an old lady that's coming to buy the patio set that I put out there this morning. So I'm gonna go back and see if I could catch her, maybe help her facilitate the sale and load it up. Nice to meet you. Okay, I'll load it for you. Do you have someone to help you when you get home? Well, thank you so much. I don't see any chairs, so let's see what's in the mailbox. All the important stuff. There we go. All right, so table and chair sold, 180 bucks. Ooh, do you remember that camera I bought? Yeah, that one. I sold it. 70 bucks. Not bad for a $5 purchase. Hi there. Going well.
You got your fly rods, your waders, your float tube, your boots.
Oh wow. I never really got into that. What do you want for the whole setup here?
75 bucks.
75 bucks for
And it's got this Renton rod here. There's a Cabela waders right here. And then the boots, and then the fins.
I've never sold any of fishing stuff, so.
Yeah. Do a little package deal. Come on,
Yeah.
get it together. A little one-man party.
Hi there.
The head and the footboard, and then the 2 end tables and the sofa table.
Just the frame for.
The head and the footboard,
Mm-hmm.
2 end pieces, and the sofa table.
Okay.
200 bucks.
200 bucks for all that. And then the table you're trying to sell for 250.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take a look at that. Oh.
And it's got 2 leaves. I guess they call them butterfly leaves. If you pull this open, they're underneath there, and then they pop up.
Okay. Yeah, and then you Expanding, okay. Well, I'll make you an offer on the both, but not sure you're gonna like it, but looking for a package deal. So I would do 300 for both.
Can't do it right now, but I have to be out of here by the 15th. But if you want it, because what did I say? I said 200 for that and 350 for this.
Not sure, I think you might have said 250 for this, but.
250 and, okay, 250 and then 200. So
yeah.
450.
Yeah.
And you're saying 300.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say 400 and call it a deal. Because I think you could probably sell this for 350.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is that it's like, it's a little damaged.
Yeah, but you just take a little, you get that little Home Depot little wooden pen and you just come on, man, you know that. 400, man, I'll help you load it up.
I would meet you in the middle. I'd do 350. But anything beyond that, I wouldn't be making much.
375.
I am, yes.
Right
yeah.
Guys, this guy is good. This guy is good. You gotta make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow him on YouTube, Twitter, wherever you guys are going. This is the man right here.
Thanks for the shout out.
You're welcome. It's 25 bucks. 375 now. We're good.
I'd do 360.
Your deal. You got a deal.
All right.
Got a deal. There it is,
Good,
folks.
good deal.
That's how you do it.
There
right
we go.
There. Don't forget.
All right, I'll give you the cash. 300 bucks right there. Cool, bro. That was an interesting negotiation. I mean, he had a garage sale going on, but the real action was happening inside his house. When he invited me inside, told me he was moving. So I just picked up, minus the mattress, a king-sized bed set with headboard, footboard, console table, and 2 nightstands, and a really nice dining room table with 6 chairs. It seats, looks like 10 when you pull out the 2 leaves. Super nice, farmhouse style, so it's definitely in fashion. Hardy looking wood. I got the whole gambit for 360 bucks. His name's Jason, cool guy. Jason, if you're watching, thank you. Hopefully I sell your stuff for maximum amount of profit. If I could be 500 bucks in the black on this, it was worth it. All right, so broke this table, trying to move it by myself. Brilliant work. All right. Count that one down the drain. Good stuff. Good morning. Maybe I should change my name to Brakeman Dan. This is like the second time in 2 weeks that I've broken valuable merchandise. Very valuable. Let's see the damage that we did here. This is just hanging on by a thread. This completely ripped out. I mean, I'll be able, I can literally just take this leg out completely. I can't necessarily just pull this out. I mean, it's being held in place by dowels. Like, this is really good furniture craftsmanship. I mean, the fact that, like, you know, they cut this out perfectly here. This 2x4, if I wanted to replace it, it would require a lot of work. There's like so much advanced woodworking that's happening with this that my only course of action is to screw this back in place. I think I'm gonna hit this with a screw here to screw this back in place, and then hit this with a screw in here to screw this back in place. I'm gonna have to sell it as broken. I mean, that was a $300 mistake right there, at least. If I can get it to structurally sound, that will be great, but I can't just post this and not show the crack. That would be disingenuous. Try to sell it, man. I mean, I was gonna post this for $1,000. Now I'll post it for 700. When this was bought, they probably bought it for above $2,000. Beyond that, I mean, I have this matching set of nightstands and console table. I'm gonna have to fix this up. And same thing with this, I'm gonna get a different color wood stain fixer because this is more mahogany. This is more just straight, like rich brown. Also need to post this stuff. Luckily I didn't break the bed frame this time. I learned that lesson. Number one, always fully disassemble big furniture items when you're moving them, if you have the ability to. Number two, ask for help if things are too heavy. I mean, I was trying, the reason why this broke was this was flipped on the other side, and I was trying to lift it from the bottom to stand it up to get it off my trailer. And when I lifted it up from the bottom, all the weight went on that one leg and snapped it. Brakeman Dan, breaking furniture left and right. Will he ever learn? Only time will tell.
Cooper.
Danny, nice to meet you.
Danny, nice to meet you. Sweet. Hey, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, you too. Welcome to the trip.
Not terrible. Pretty good, actually. All right, guys, I just hit it with the Restore Finish, and wow, this thing popped off. Look at how beautiful this table looks. Holy crap. I was cursing to the high heavens before, but now after fixing the leg and pulling out the two leaves, this thing looks like $1 million. I think I might get my money after all. There's the little cosmetic crack now. It's barely visible. Leg is standing tall. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Leg is perfectly fine. Just not turning this thing sideways anymore, that's for sure. I tried to bring it into the house, but it was way too big. I'm just gonna take pictures of it in front of my garage. That'll be good enough. Cushions are in excellent condition. Looking good, man. All right, guys, so after taking photos of the bed frame, it's in a little worse shape than I thought it was. I didn't do like a completely full inspection on this. When I bought it, it was kind of like a whim decision, but this is not great. Where I was once pretty confident of getting a couple $100 on this, not looking like it. So we're gonna have to make our money back on this table here, which I think we will. $360 investment. I'm confident we'll at least double it. So, all right, guys, we need to fix this cup stand. This is something that you probably see a lot of in this little stain over here on wood objects. So what we're gonna use is a fine grade steel wool 0000 grade steel wool, and we got a rich mahogany Restore Finish. So let's see how this works. Look at that, right out. Pull that shit right out. And voila, just like that. Old stain's gone. Good morning. It's July 5th, a couple days after we posted the gorgeous table beside me. Someone hit me up, they're coming to look at it, and I'm gonna get my trailer ready because they were saying that they might want to have me deliver it, so that's an extra charge for delivery. But, you know, once again, I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed because I'm gonna have to show them the cosmetic crack. And we'll see if they still like it, you know? And even though it's so visually minuscule, you kind of have to show them because we don't sell damaged goods here without telling the people. We're not scumbags. That's bad karma. We're gonna load up the trailer, get it so it's super easy to just load in and haul out. And let's cross our fingers, man. This could be a big sale. Hi there. How's it going? Nice. Brought the fam. That's why. Yeah, so it pulls apart, and then there's the leaves in the middle. There's like a couple leaves. There's two of them separated by a towel. Leaves are in great condition. Okay. You can take a look if you want. The only other thing besides the little touch-up stuff is there's like a cosmetic crack right here, but it doesn't affect the overall table sturdiness.
Let's load it up and then I can get you cash and meet you up there.
Sounds good. Looky, looky. Flip Man Dan's got a cookie. 1,200 buckaroonies, baby. What a flip! Pretty much tripled the investment just on the table. I am pumped, man. I mean, I thought this was almost lost inventory when we broke the leg off the table. But a little bit of elbow grease, we put it back together. It was pretty much good as new. Cleaned it up with a decent amount of wood finish, and the pictures came out amazing. The sale process was really straightforward. The new family that was taking on the table, were okay with the little nicks and scratches, and I showed them the cosmetic at this point crack, and they were cool with it because it didn't affect the overall structure of the table. And I am up 1,200 right now. That is pretty much a $840 profit right now. And we still have the bed frame, we still have the console table, and the 2 nightstands to get rid of. Whew. I'm on cloud 9, baby. Thank you for tuning in this week. Stay tuned. I mean, it's just getting better and better. What's next week, man? What else do we got in store? So stay tuned for more flips. Give me a like and a subscribe if you did like the content. Once again, I am Flip Man Dan, signing out. See you next week.